Amazon Home Finds. Today, we're diving into the top smart gadgets. You can find all the product links mentioned in this video down in the description box below. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with all our future content. This is a bin bag dispenser with an adhesive base. You can place it right at the bottom of your bin, so every time your bin is full and you need to empty it, a new liner will automatically appear. These organizers are placed above furniture to stack them easily and prevent them from falling. This small machine allows you to comfortably rinse all your glasses so you spend less time scrubbing. This magnetic wall key holder sticks to the wall and can hold up to 30 keys. This smart desk transforms into a storage unit after use. These are suction hooks that do not require any adhesive, just twist and remove. They can be placed on any flat surface and can hold up to 5 kilos. This blanket is completely waterproof. You can put it on a bed or sofa. This is a bedroom doorbell that makes a sound when someone wants to enter. This electric warming tray keeps your dishes warm for as long as you want, which is super practical when you have guests over or if you have other dishes to prepare. These are wireless security cameras that do not require any installation because they stick to any surface thanks to their magnetic function. These measuring spoons stick magnetically so I don't lose them. This kitchen knife box has a safety device to allow them to be used properly. This pan plugs into an outlet and allows you to cook your meal even from your bed. I love this ice cream cone mold. I filled the mold with strawberry yogurt and put it in the freezer overnight, and when I took them out they looked like cream cone strawberry ice cream. This object opens the curtains automatically from the phone so you don't move from your bed all day. This vacuum sealer keeps my groceries fresh longer. It extends the freshness of fish and raw meat for about 5 to 8 days, and that of vegetables and even cooked meats. This electric spray butter makes butter for hair, cereals, and bread. This cleaning stick allows you to clean the ceiling fan dusters. It is very practical and is reusable. If you have insects in your house, this insect catcher will allow you to get rid of all the spiders and critters in your house so you can sleep peacefully. Here's a tip to avoid getting your home dirty with this dispenser that will block dirt and germs from shoes before contaminating your home. Simply press your foot into the cushioned bed and it will automatically dispense a clear film that sticks to your shoe soles. This little object is an insect catcher to get rid of all the critters hanging around your house. If your pans are always overflowing with water, this lid allows the water to breathe and prevents any splashing and overflowing. These are ingredient organizers that will attach directly to your wall. You have 3 boxes per ingredient organizer, and each box has its little spoon. These pan and pot lid organizers will be ideal for facilitating the use and storage of your kitchen cupboards. As soon as I saw these rechargeable salt and pepper mills, I knew I had to add them to my kitchen. They are simple, elegant, and work wonderfully and come in several colors. This rake easily catches stubborn hairs from carpets and surfaces that accumulate over time. It is really ideal for cleaning the edges where hairs get stuck and where the vacuum cleaner cannot reach. A great gadget to have on hand and a must-have for pet owners. This small stool can hold up to 12 pairs of shoes. It is rotatable and makes it easy to access them before leaving. This magnetic stop is placed under your door to avoid damaging your floors. This is the best accessory for removing hair from your animals. It works simply using static electricity and it works on all types of fabrics. This is a super simple protective cover to install. It adapts perfectly to all sofas and it will remain perfectly fixed. If you have really stubborn stains on your fabric surfaces like sofas, this water vapor vacuum cleaner is really impressive and can be used like a traditional vacuum cleaner. This brush attaches to your sink to clean your cutlery and other objects without having to do it with your fingers. This product helps keep your toilet clean for up to 4 weeks. This one allows you to spray water on your plants and even give your dog a shower. This steam iron makes ironing your clothes so easy. You'll love using it with this compact steamer that works so well. It comes with a self-adhesive wall mount and it's small enough to travel with. This little object helps you remove hair and exfoliates painlessly. This very aesthetic laundry basket has 2 baskets to separate colors and clean laundry from dirty laundry. Plus the 2 basket bags are removable, which makes transport to the washing machine easier. This appliance is an egg cooker that can cook up to 12 eggs in different easy-to-peel ways. Fabric converter. You can use this stuff anywhere. I use it on my furniture, on my clothes. It takes away everything from the old and grimy look. It just brings it back to life. This one is rechargeable. It has 3 different speeds, and it's all put together in this little compact space that you can then throw away later. It's so satisfying. If, like me, you struggle to take paper towels when your hands are all soiled, I recommend this automatic dispenser, which works with a motion detector and which will put itself back into place. This stone rug dries instantly in just a few seconds. It is antibacterial, anti-slip, and very comfortable for the feet. You can find the links of all these gadgets in the description. So guys, please thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get updates about my all upcoming videos.